Viruses are extremely small. They're smaller than bacteria. They have to actually be within another cell to be able to replicate. They can survive outside cells, but they can't reproduce unless they're in another living cell, such as an animal cell, or a plant cell, or a bacterial cell.
Influenza viruses have 8 separate pieces of single-stranded RNA wrapped up in spirals of protein. These are then surrounded by another layer of protein and a lipid envelope through which protrude 2 different kinds of protein spikes. The virus particles, also called virions, are carried through the air in microscopic water droplets from an infected individual. If these are breathed in by someone else and penetrate the mucus layers to reach cells lining the nose or throat, they can set up a new infection.
The influenza virus attaches to the cells using a protein spike that it has on its surface called hemagglutinin. The cell then engulfs the virus and the virus goes into the cell. Once it's inside the cell, the coat breaks open, releasing the nucleic acid, the RNA, into the cytoplasm of the cell. It then goes into the nucleus of the cell, and the virus takes over the cell's machinery and reproduces all the components of the virus. These components move to the cell membrane, where the virus particles are assembled. They actually bud out of the infected cell and the virus is formed. To cleave the virus away from the infected cell, the neuraminidase comes into play, and that does the cleavage.